Hello everyone, welcome to the Daily Vocabulary Booster by Oliveboard. In this video, we will be learning 5 new words of the day. This will enhance our vocabulary and definitely help us to excel in the English section for various bank and government exams. So before we start with the video, don't forget to take up a free mock test provided by Oliveboard for any bank or government exam that you are preparing for by clicking on the link which is given to you in the description box. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. The first word for today is apocalypse. Now, apocalypse is the complete final destruction of the world. It is an event which involves destruction or damage on catastrophic scale. That means a destruction at a very huge scale or at a very grand scale. So it means the final destruction of the world wherein everything is destroyed or damaged. Few of the synonyms of apocalypse are destruction, holocaust or havoc. The usage is several leading scientists are predicting an environmental apocalypse. That means they are sort of already predicting some destruction with respect to the environment. So the world will get destroyed due to the environmental changes. We know we have climate change happening, there's global warming, there's melting of ice, rising of sea level. So all of that will together lead to the destruction of the world due to environmental causes. The next term is formidable. Formidable is inspiring fear or respect through being impressively large, powerful, intense and capable. That means we are trying to inspire someone through being very powerful and being very capable. So few of the synonyms are intimidating, forbidding, redoubtable or daunting. The usage is the girls had a large amount of respect for their formidable grandfather. That means the girls did respect their grandfather for all the power he had and all the capabilities that he possessed. The next term is philanthropic. Now, philanthropic is of a person or organization seeking to promote the welfare of others. So, philanthropic can be a person or an organization that try to promote others or welfare. So, social well-being of others is their motive. So, the synonyms are generous and benevolent. The usage is the old age homes have received financial support from philanthropic bodies. That means these old age homes wherein the old age people reside have received support from philanthropic bodies who can be either persons or organizations. The next term is republicanism. So republicanism is support for a republican system of a government. So it is a state in which the supreme power is held by the people and their elected representatives, and which has an elected or nominated president rather than a monarch. So we know India is a republic nation wherein we as people have all the power and we are the ones who are electing our representatives in the form of MLAs and MPs. The usage is the inhabitants of the island desired for republicanism and local self-government. That means people who stay in the island, they want their island to be a republic island, and they also want local self-government for themselves. And the last term for today is tussle. Tussle is a vigorous struggle or scuffle, typically in order to obtain or achieve something. So when we struggle a lot in order to achieve something big in our life, that is when we use the term tussle. Few of the synonyms are scuffle, fight, struggle or skirmish. The usage is the children began to tussle over a toy and the preschool teacher had to step in to break up the fight. That means the small children, they started struggling or fighting to obtain a toy, and hence the school teacher had to step in to break that fight. Those were the 5 new words that we learned today. You can learn more new words by clicking on the link given to you in the description box. Do like this video and share it with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. Thank you.